back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to my life. This is our very first episode of Keep Cooking with Lee. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be making for you a baked pasta. We're going to be utilizing pesto. Pesto? I think that's what you call it. Pesto is the pasta, not ziti. You know how people say your eyebrows, they might be sisters, but they're not twins? Well, it's the same thing with pesto pasta and ziti pasta. Pesto pasta, ziti pasta. Pesto pasta, ziti pasta. Pesto pasta, ziti pasta. Pesto pasta, ziti pasta. Okay, back to the recipe. If you're in the mood and you want to learn how to make baked pasta, baked pesto pasta. Yeah, enough of that. Baked pesto pasta. Say that 3 times. Baked pesto pasta. Then guess what? You're in the right place at the right time. So let's get right into these ingredients. Let go. Okay, here's our lovely ingredients. As you can see, I'm not alone, so I'm going to be doing most of this video as a voiceover. I have company in the house, so I'm going to make it do what it do. Hope you like it. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is boil our salted water and brown our meat in some nice olive oil. Yes, you see I've added the ground turkey and the spicy sausage in the same pan. Ground turkey is very lean and doesn't render a lot of fat. That was the reason for me adding the olive oil. And we're just going to cook it till it's nice and brown. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm adding my seasonings. Oh yeah. Don't be too shy with the seasonings. You want that food to be nice and flavor filled. We want flavor party in our mouth. That's exactly what we're going for. So don't be shy with your seasonings. As you can see, we're just seasoning to our taste. If you like more seasonings, add more. If you like less, feel free to decrease the amount. But we love for our food to be nice and seasoned, and trust me, you'll appreciate it as well. Now you just want to mix up your seasonings, get it well incorporated, and continue browning the meat. Pasta is one of my favorite dishes. There's so many ways you can make pasta, baked ziti, baked spaghetti, lasagna. The possibilities are endless when it comes to making pasta dishes. This is just one that I chose to show you guys how to make this time. Comment down below if you like to see me make your favorite pasta, or let me know what your favorite pasta is. All right, so we're going to let this cook down and we'll be right back.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like.
Okay, once again, I'm back. Did y'all miss my lovely voice? Back to mixing our vegetables. The meat is continually browning, and we're just going to cook down our vegetables a little bit. And while we do that, we're going to go over and prepare our pasta. Stay tuned. And guys, don't forget to hit the like if you like what you see. Comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We got good stuff coming our way, so y'all just stay tuned for more. Okay, time to add our penne pasta, not pesto. I don't know why I kept saying that, but y'all just forgive me. Y'all know what I mean. All right, we're adding the penne pasta. We're going to stir it up and let it boil down. Time to add our blended cheeses. First thing we have is our ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese, I must admit, was not a friend of mine back in the day, but once I've gotten older and learned how to be more creative with using ricotta cheese, I love ricotta cheese. There's even a blueberry pancake recipe that I make. 1 egg, and I use it with ricotta cheese. I'm going to do that for you guys one day. But anyway, shout out to my daughter Jocelyn for this portion of the recipe. I actually stole this from her, and it's really, really good. So shout out to you, Jossie girl. Now let's get back to these ingredients. You have your basil. That's not fresh basil, but it's the closest thing to it. You can find all these items in your local grocery store, of course. And then we're going to mix it well. Nicely incorporate it there. And this is also going to be a binder. The egg we're going to utilize as a binder, not necessarily for a taste factor. And of course, my favorite, can't have baked pasta without mozzarella cheese. And don't be stingy with it. Be very, very liberal with the cheese, if you please. Can the church say amen? Amen. And amen again. And we're going to mix that well. And we're going to add, yes, the entire bag, in case you were wondering, the entire BAG. I decided that a little bit more basil wouldn't hurt, so that's what I did. And this meat is just about done. After checking it, the vegetables at the consistency and the texture that I would like it to be. We're not going to drain the pan because it's really not that much fat rendering off the meat. And that's one of the good things about ground turkey. It's still full of flavor. It's a great beef substitute. So let's get ready to add spaghetti sauce and get this thing served up right and ready for the pasta. Don't forget to get all that sauce out of there. All you got to do is just add a little bit of water in that bottle, shake it up, baby, and let it all come down. You don't want to leave no sauce behind. Food ain't cheap, and I mean that. And add just a little sugar to cut back on the acidity of the sauce. Just a little bit. Just a touch of love. A little bit. Y'all remember that song? And our pasta is looking good. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. It's looking right. We're going to take this out and drain off all the water. Guys, I tasted the sauce and decided that it needed just a little bit more flavor, love. It was good, but it wasn't giving what it was supposed to be giving, so I decided to kick it up a couple more notches and add a little bit more seasonings. You know, it's always best to taste your food. I always say it. Taste your food, and then taste your food again if you have to. And I use these aluminum pans for easy cleanup, guys. I'm being lazy today. Okay, we're going to add some sauce in the bottom of the pan. Just kind of to create a little barrier between the pasta and the heat. So we'll put a little bit of sauce in there, like so. And that's what it's looking like. What's wrong with her? I could have edited that out, y'all, but hey, this is real life. How many of y'all been there before? I ain't the only one that dropped the spoon while they was cooking. Be honest. Now here's where we get the cheese and just make it rain. Yep. Make it pour down, rain with the cheese. And there you have it. This baby is oven ready. Let's get her in the oven. 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So here is the final product after cooking in the oven for about 20 minutes. There's our baked pasta. I know y'all want some. Hey, listen, if you like this channel, if you like what you see, comment down below, give us a thumbs up, share the video, And don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, we will see you in the next video. And remember, cooking is an act of love. If you don't cook this for yourself, cook it for someone else. Bye. Love you guys.